Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ElectroNeek. Today, we're going to overview a case study that's made possible with the power of ElectroNeek's RPA development tool. In this case study, we'll program the bot to perform the task of comparing prices between online stores and storing that data in a report format using Google Sheets. This is a great example of a business use case, especially for those of you who are operating online stores or need to compare prices on a regular basis. Because why pay more when you can pay less? And more generally, it's a great example of what ElectroNeek can do for anyone who has manual tasks that require finding and comparing data across the web. So let's see how it works. The first website we're going to use to price compare is Walmart.com. And we're going to specifically compare prices for a Vizio Smart TV. As you can see, Walmart currently prices a Vizio Smart TV at $698. However, let's see if our bot can find us a better price. To do that, we're going to price compare across Amazon for essentially the same Vizio Smart TV. Lucky for us, Amazon already has a built-in price comparison feature for vendors who already sell on Amazon. We're going to factor those Amazon vendors in and see what we can see in terms of an overall price comparison report. That final report is going to come to us in the form of a table on Google Sheets, with the first row serving as our header. So let's now see that bot in action. I'm going to go over to our ElectroNeek Dev tool and I'm going to open up the work process I've already built. You can now see it there in my workspace. And now what I'm going to do is click that green start button at the top and run the bot. I'm also going to manually split the screen right here into two parts. That way we can better watch the robot as it works. And as you can see, the bot is doing exactly what we've asked it to do. It's navigating both Walmart and Amazon and comparing those prices as we speak. What's great about our solution is the fact that building a bot like this is almost effortless. In fact, this workflow took less than one working day to lay out the logic, to build up the bot, to customize the bot's actions, and essentially play with the configurations before launching. And just like that, the process is complete. So let's check out this report that the Google Sheets, that was made in Google Sheets by our bot. As you can see, the bot has compiled a fairly exhaustive list of different price offerings for our Vizio Smart TV. As you see, it's broken down by price, percent savings, and a URL link to that price. But let's just double check to see if our bot did an accurate job. Let's copy the URL for one of these price offerings and see if it's a real URL to a real price offering for a Vizio Smart TV. And bam, it looks like it did. It looks like we have an accurate URL. It's taken us to a vendor known as NYC ElectroNeek, where if we wanted to, we could go forward with purchasing through this vendor. And it looks like they're highly touted. I see those 4 stars and those 5 stars. That's what we like. That said, one thing to say before we wrap up is a word about the bot logic itself. We essentially designed this bot flow with 2 parts, 2 subprograms. The first subprogram, as you can see right here, it is our read configuration subprogram. Essentially what it's built to do is read and execute a configuration file that we set up beforehand. And the second subprogram, you see here at the bottom, was essentially set up to process data items into a loop. So this is a good format, especially for more simple bot workflows that you can take advantage of. It makes it very simplified. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it. What you just saw was an example of a real process built on our platform. If you have any questions about a particular task or process you would like to automate, feel free to email us at sales@electroneek.com. We'll be happy to take a look at your process and get you started. Or if you're interested in becoming a partner, then drop us a line at partners@electroneek.com. That's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in.